Nowadays, overweight is worldwide concern. Due to sedentary lifestyle, or eating junk food, and lack of exercise, fat will deposit on your body. But if you are maintaining all these things but still not coming down, then you may have low metabolism power and you are not having a good digestion power. To solve all this problem, I will share today three herbal drinks. To if you add in your daily life, then you will definitely lose 2 to 3 kilo per week. So hi all, this is Dr. Monalisa here from Arogyam Ayurvedic Hospital, welcoming you to my YouTube channel, Dr. Monalisa Ayurvedic Hospital. In Ayurveda, if our digestion fire is not good, then there will be low absorption of food in our body, so that the constipation problem may come. So undigested food materials will deposit in our body. So later on, it will convert to fat. Most of fat will deposit on our belly. So overweight is not only impact on our physical appearance, but also it brings lifestyle diseases like high BP, cholesterol, joint pain, and diabetes, and in case of ladies, some sort of menstrual problem. So to reduce your belly fat and body weight, I will share three herbal drinks which will definitely help you.
These are masala drink, green buttermilk and aloe vera sabja drink. Let us start with masala drink.
For masala herbal drink, we need all these items to boil well. So this is black pepper. Black pepper, how it will help you? It may help in weight loss because it contains piperin, a compound that can increase metabolism and reduce fat. So second one is ajwain or carom seed. So it reduces fat because absorbs nutrient completely. So third one is swamp increasing metabolism, reducing cravings, improve digestion. And then fourth one is methi. So it contains glucomannan fiber, so which slows the absorption of sugars. So then this one cinnamon, so it helps to weight loss by increasing metabolism and burning fat. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrate. It may have insulin like action, so it regulates blood sugar level. And then this one, raw turmeric, it is a immune booster. It has anti-worm infection action, and it will reduce any type of bacterial infection in stomach. Then this one, jeera. So jeera boosting metabolism, improves digestion, reduce bloating. So all these items are well carbonative, so that fat reduction also will come quickly. So all these items will put in a boiling water, so that it should be boiled well, so that the nutrients will be absorbed in water.
Let it boil well properly.
After boiling, let it settle for some time. Then we will pour in a glass. Then add some lemon juice inside it. So lemon is vitamin C rich food, and it will regulate our appetite. Put some honey inside it. So honey is a good antioxidant and rich in vitamin and minerals, so it will regulate appetite and easy digestion also will come.
Now it's ready to drink our masala herbal drink. We should drink it at morning and night on an empty stomach to improve metabolism and digestion. Next we will prepare green buttermilk.
So now we will prepare green buttermilk. For that we need 1 cup of curd, coriander leaf, mint leaf, curry leaf, 1 small piece of ginger, and Saindhava lavanam. It's not normal salt. This is a type of some rock salt like Saindhava lavanam. So it will reduce BP and sugar simultaneously. So let us start the process. We'll put all materials in a mixie jar. and add water in that. Then all we have put in a mixer jar and grind it well. Then after then it's ready to drink. Now we'll pour in that of glass so that it will be ready to drink. So now we have made green buttermilk. It can be beneficial for weight loss due to its low calorie and fat content, high protein levels, and the presence of probiotics which promotes satiety and healthy digestive.
We should drink it after breakfast and after lunch. Next is aloe vera sabja drink. First we will take fresh aloe vera from tree.
Then we will dip in little quantity of water so that latex will come out. Then in a spoon you can scrape it well so that it will easily come out. So this is aloe vera pulp. It acts as a laxative, so easy bowel movement also occur. It works by reducing the amount of cholesterol that the intestine absorb. Then this one lemon piece. So lemon reducing hunger and increasing hydration. So it will also cut the fat. And this is Saindava Lavanam, good for BP and sugar. Let's keep in a jar. Then add some water in that. Then mix it well in a grinding jar. Then after then you just remove the cap and then pour in the glass. Then squeeze a half piece of lemon inside that and 1 spoon of sabja seeds in that. Sabja help weight loss because they are high in fiber and promote a feeling of fullness. This will give cooling effect to stomach. So any further gas related, acidity related heat, if it is there, it will reduce clearly and maintain your fat health.
We should drink it in the afternoon between 4 to 5 pm.
I hope this video will helpful to you all. So if you add in your daily life, you will definitely lose 2 to 3 kg per week. So if you will like my video, then you please like, subscribe and share this video to all. So thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Ayurved.